we will begin by creating his initial or starting pose. That will be the pose at frame 0 by using down arrow and left arrow navigation or the selection sphere depending on the complexity of the object. We're going to move down to his left leg, down arrow key, left arrow key to select the lower leg and foot, and rotate it back to be the foot to which he is pushing off with. Up arrow key once and then left arrow key to select the other leg. We'll rotate it out, down, and arrow key. We'll select and position his lower leg, and then down to the shoe. We'll rotate it. Basically, all we want to do is pose him for this initial keyframe, for frame 0. Just a place for him to start from. We'll move up to his upper torso and kind of lean him into the run just slightly. And then move down to the arms. One of the beauties of the interface of TrueSpace, as you'll notice, I move around quite a bit in the workspace while I'm working. It's just wonderful to be able to move around in the 3D space to view your object from all different angles to make sure you're getting exactly what you're wanting. We'll move back up through the hierarchy, and there's our initial starting point. Now, using what we've learned previously, we'll go to the frame counter and put in frame 10. A little trick here is to click the record button once. This will allow us to make all of our manipulations without having to worry about the frame number. We'll go through and manipulate his legs, just moving down through the hierarchy. Like I say, you can use the keyboard shortcuts or the selection sphere, whichever type of manipulation tool you prefer. It's all up to you. There are several good books available on character animation on how to create a walk cycle or a run cycle. Here we're just going through creating this new pose for frame 10. Let's reposition his upper torso slightly back, and then reposition his arms for this part of the run cycle. And you will notice that in just a few moments time we have created our first 2 keyframes in this run cycle. We'll play the animation back, and you can see it will not take any time at all to have Groover running at full speed.